Hi, this is Nick with Jackalope Outdoors. I'm the maker of the Jackfire. I'm going to show you how to put that together today. So mainly first, unsnap the snaps on the leather and canvas case. Pull out the stove, set the case to the side, and open the stove up. It simply opens up just like that. Then what I typically do is open it up and face the front towards me, upside down. Then I take the fire plate with the tabs facing away from me to the sides, but not one on the front. That's because the right side will go into the right side tab, and then the back side will slip down behind, and then this side you have to pull to the right with the fire plate, and then push to the left with the stove, and then push down a little bit on the fireplace until it clicks in. Do the same in the back, and it clicked in there. Now it's adjustable, but it won't come out. It's pretty sturdy in there. Now it's in there, and then you take the crossbars, and with the first one you put the center two grooves upward. Doesn't matter which direction it goes. It can go this way, flip it around, whatever you want. Slide that in, so it slides into these two grooves. Take your other crossbar with the grooves going down now in the center, and just place those over the rear slot, the middle slot in the crossbar, and the front slot. And then that goes in. You're set, ready to start grabbing wood and sticks and loading in the Jackfire to start it, and there you go. Typically let it cool down for about 5 minutes after the fire's out, before it's, and then be careful touching it because it is stainless steel. It does retain heat pretty well. But then to take it apart, then you basically just take the crossbars out, slide those back in the case, flip it back over with the front facing you, slide the fire plate to the front right, pull the back out, pull the side out, and then just kind of wiggle it to get it out of the remaining side. Slide that in, pick up the stove, slide it back in the case. There you go. So thanks for watching. That's been the assembly and disassembly of the Jackfire.